Making your own almond milk is not only quick and simple to make, but it also means you know exactly what is going in it without risk of additives. So what you'll need is a cup of almonds and some water. That's basically it. You put the almonds and oats together and simply leave it overnight. The next day, the almonds will look a bit like this. The outer layer on some of the almonds will have paled. The reason you leave them overnight is to activate the enzymes. By activating the enzymes, it will allow for better digestion and access to the nutrients. So now the science lesson is over, I usually drain the almonds of the overnight water. Then you need to add the almonds to a blender and add about 3 cups of water as well. It depends how thick or watery you like it. I usually add some vanilla extract and also some maple syrup to sweeten it, but you don't have to do this. Then blend it all together, making sure that the almonds are properly crushed. Once blended, you can strain the mix through a nut milk bag. You can get these really cheap online, but if you don't have one, then you can use a cloth to strain. Basically, anything that lets the liquid through but doesn't let the pulp through is perfect for this. Then you simply squeeze the bag until all the milk has been strained out. You'll then have your nice and creamy almond milk. You'll also have the leftover pulp in the bag, which can be used for a few things, such as making oatmeal cookies. I've actually made a separate video on making oatmeal cookies. And there you have it. Simply put your almond milk into a jar or a bottle, and the milk should last around 3 to 5 days. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel.